Hello everyone. Today I'm taking work settings on your requested Android or Apple updates to your phone, such as let's see here, tap update, tap install. That's what I'm doing. Updates for your phone, smartphone, and perhaps. And now this is how it works. I have the permissions to update your Android or your Apple, and later on, your phone will get the Android update that you choose, that you wanted for your phone, not the one that is for everyone else. Just so you know, I am a digital media and web technology major and specialist, and I look forward to bringing you the updated security update, check for updates, tap install, upgrade Android device operating system, so you could get the update you need. If you like to see how it works, this is how it works. For example, this is your Android. After I do the workload for the agreed price to update your Android through the operating system, you will get a clean chip on how and what it is on your next Android update. And you will never ask again. Thank you so much. Just so you know, this is a service, and it costs about let's see here, $39.99. Thank you so much.